already had so much tech, but I still ordered the Google Pixel tablet. But with the accessories that I've been using, it's sort of become like a personal hub, but there are some limitations to the accessories that you can use. Now, the Pixel tablet has a little bit of a flawed design in my opinion, and it's not a total deal breaker, but you can see whenever you try and take the tablet off of the dock, and I have done this so many times where I'm taking it off and I bump it into the table like that, especially because of the little bit of force that's required to take it off. So for that reason, I had to get myself this little case right here. Now the case here is also offered by Google. Now the Pixel tablet cover here, you can see on the back, it has this metal hinge design. And what you can do with the metal hinge is you can sort of rotate it out and then you can put it down to wherever you like, and then you can look at the Pixel tablet. But in addition to the Pixel tablet cover, the other thing that I got that has been really useful is this little mount right here. Now you can go to a home decoration hardware store and you can buy something like this. Now the limitation for this is that when you have this underneath, you cannot rotate, tilt, or move the Pixel tablet to the side. So the thing that you can do with this is you can't rotate it and you can't tilt it up and down, and I wish Google would fix that for future purposes. Now, as far as input devices are concerned, I ordered probably about 2 of these styluses before finally figuring out why the styluses weren't working. There are so many styluses which are 2.0, but you have to get a stylus that is USI 2.0. Now, this one right here is by a company called Penoval, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. You go into any app and what you do is you take the active stylus and you start writing, and it writes really good. The thing that I had been reading about this stylus and the tablet is that it doesn't have a really big separation from when you're writing on the screen. So you can actually see your pen ink flowing right as you would see it on paper. So that's a good thing about this stylus, but do I really use it? Not really. But if it's something that you really use it for, I would definitely go ahead and buy it. Now, let's talk about other input devices like the keyboard and mouse. Now, keep in mind when I said that I use this like a personal hub, I do that on a day-to-day basis because when I'm editing videos or doing my workflow, I want to be able to transition from the Pixel tablet to the computer and back and forth. And what has allowed me to do that is the freedom of using these devices. So if you look at the first device, which is a hex gear keyboard, you can see that you can pair it with actually 4 devices at the same time. 3 devices can be Bluetooth and 1 can be using the dongle that comes with it. Now, the dongle that comes with it is a USB-C dongle, and you can easily enter it into the Pixel tablet. Or what you can do is you can just use a wire going from the Google Pixel tablet to the keyboard also. But the good thing about this keyboard is it's versatile in the fact that you can travel with it. It's very compact and you can see how small it is compared to my hands right here, and it's easy to travel with. The next device that I want to talk about is a mouse by itself. Now, this mouse right here is a Logitech MX Master mouse. And the good thing about this is with the Google Pixel tablet, I just have to press the button here on the back to transition from the computer to the Pixel tablet. And then I can easily go around with my workflow. So that seamless integration between computer to this personal side hub is a real game changer. And I really like that because it gives you so much flexibility to get stuff done on the side. So here is another device that I've been using with the Google Pixel tablet, and it is the Plantronics Bluetooth audio headset. Now with the headset, this thing that I like about it is you can undock it and you can dock it back on again when you're not using it. And then it has controls on the side for taking calls even from your phone. The thing that you will realize is that when you use a Google Pixel tablet, the Bluetooth bandwidth is limited in the sense that you can't connect a lot of devices. And how I noticed that, and I think Google should definitely pay attention to that, is if you start pairing different devices to this, you will start noticing a decrease in performance, because when I'm using this audio headset and I have other devices connected to it, so I'll hear the sound breaking up or cracking up and it doesn't sound right. Sort of like when you have something buffering and it doesn't sound right. So if they can adjust the Bluetooth settings in this where it can adjust for more input devices to be connected to it or output devices, that would be great. So the one thing that works really well, and I used it on the iPad mini yesterday, is the ability to use a standalone external camera with a iPad OS 17 update. And now you're able to connect external cameras to it. But when I tried to connect the external camera to the Google Pixel tablet, it did not work. So if you're looking into pairing an external camera, you'll have to do some research. But when I tested this one out, it's called an Anker P200, and it did not work with the Pixel tablet. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more.